Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb cut out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb cut out is when something powered by electricity suddenly stops working. Can also be used for a motor or an engine. He watches the nationwide news channel to keep up to date. It was just coming up to what I wanted to hear, and then the television cut out. They nearly made it to their destination until disaster struck. I can't believe the car cut out on us. How will we get there now? Meaning two of cut out is to not allow someone to be involved in something. This can also be used in terms of leaving something out of something. For example, a relevant past work history on a CV. The woman is upset because she fell out with her friend. I had to cut her out of my life. She's not good for me. As the woman writes her will, she says, I'm cutting my youngest son out of my will. He needs to learn to grow up. She is writing up her CV for a new job. I think I'll cut the part out that says I worked as a waitress. It has nothing to do with the line of work I'm trying to get into. Meaning three of cut out is used to tell someone to stop doing or saying something annoying. The parent gives out to the children. Cut it out or you'll be in big trouble. The manager gives constructive feedback to an employee. If you cut this part out going forward, your work will improve tenfold. Meaning four of cut out is to block something especially light. There are lots of clouds in the sky. The clouds cut out some of the sunlight. They got really nice new curtains. The curtains do really well to cut out the light in the room. Meaning five of cut out is to stop doing, using, or eating something, usually in terms of health. The doctor advises their patient, you really need to cut dairy out of your diet. He is starting to feel self-conscious about his weight. I think I should cut out the beer for a while and try lose some pounds. Meaning six of cut out is to have the right qualities or character for doing something. This is usually used in the negative, not cut out. As much as he has tried, he just isn't a great parent. I'm just not cut out to be a dad. I never know what to do. The athlete is regretting entering the competition. I really shouldn't have entered the Olympics. I'm not cut out for it at the moment. So let's look back on what we covered. Cut out can mean when something powered by electricity suddenly stops working. Can also be used for a motor or an engine. The power cut out while they were working. To not allow someone to be involved in something. He has been cut out of the team this year. Used to tell someone to stop doing or saying something annoying. Cut it out, I can't hear the presentation. To block something, especially light. The light cuts out when the sun revolves around the back of the house. To stop doing, using, or eating something. I want to lose 10 pounds quickly, so I'm cutting out all carbs. To have the right qualities or character for doing something. I'm not cut out for partying anymore since I got old. Where did you hear the phrasal verb cut out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.